welcome to Lexus of Edmonton, located off 170th Street. Today I have a 2025 Lexus LX 600 in ultra white. This is the F Sport package. Under the hood you have a 3.4-liter V6 twin-turbo engine producing 409 horsepower. You have triple LED headlamps as well as 22-inch F Sport aluminum alloy wheels. You have easy access into your driver's seat. On your door panel you have your memory seats, power windows, side mirrors, and door lock. Beside your steering wheel, you have your panoramic view monitor as well as your trunk button and auto start stop and your towing options. You have circuit red leather interior throughout with 14-way powered driver and passenger seat. You have a leather wrapped steering wheel with paddle shifters, hands-free controls, and cruise controls as well as your multi-information display. You also have a heads-up display. You have a dual touchscreen infotainment center with your radio, media, navigation, and climate controls. You also have Lexus interface where you can say, "Hey Lexus," and request any command. Below you have your mode selector as well as your four-wheel drive options. You have heated and ventilated seat options. On the other side you have USB-C charging ports, your gear shifter, cup holders, as well as your wireless charging pad. And just beside that you have your active height control. Above you have your sunroof controls as well as a sunglasses holder. You have a digital rear view mirror. Your center console has a removable tray and doubles as a cool box. You can open your center console from either driver's side, passenger side, or from the second row. In your second row seat metal console you have cup holders. In front of that, you have your rear seat climate controls with heated and ventilated seat options as well as charging ports below. You can access the center console from the middle row. You have easy access into your third row seat. Your third row seats have power folding options on either side as well as the option to recline them. You also have USB-C charging ports. In your trunk, you have power folding options for your third row. Underneath the vehicle, you can find your spare tire. Your trunk is power closing from a push of a button. So come on down to Lexus of Edmonton where we will find the vehicle best suited for you.